you, attorneys. We now begin with the evidentiary portion of the trial, and the state may call its first witness.
Yes, so people say Florida called Christine Gavin.
Go forward, raise your right hand and face the court.
Do you swear or affirm that evidence you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? I do. Thank you.
Get that over this way for the witness.
And you may inquire of the witness.
Yes, sir. Morning.
Morning.
Can you state your name for the record and spell your last name, please?
Christine Gavin, G-A-V-A-N,
Okay, Ms. Gavin, have you lived here in Fort Pierce all your life?
since I was 7 years old.
Okay, and let me take you back to August 24th of 2018. Do you remember what you were doing that day?
I left my house and in Spanish Lakes Fairways, went to Johnston Road, and was gonna take a shortcut to my granddaughter's and went down Russo Road.
Okay. And you go down, and where did your granddaughter live?
She lives over all the other side of Emil Avenue.
Okay, and you left your home and you were going to your granddaughter's house?
Yes.
Okay, and you said you took a shortcut and you got on Russo's Road?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and describe in as much detail as possible what happened and what you saw on August 24th of 2018.
Started down Russo, and I was looking out my windows, and there was like somebody had thrown bags of trash out the window, and so I got to the end of the road where Rusacas crosses, and I stopped and I thought, oh, wait a minute, that's not what I saw. And I stopped and got my bearings again, and I thought, I think that was something more than just a bag laying there. So I turned around and I went back and saw that it was a body laying there. So I stopped and called 911.
Okay, and do you remember what time you called 911?
About 10:50.
Okay, and how do you remember that time?
I was very shocked, very upset, so I just sat there and waited for him to arrive.
Okay, and when you called 911, did you take a look at the timestamp on your phone?
Yes, I think it was like 10:54, something like that.
Okay, and the police officers arrived?
Mhm.
Okay, without telling us what you said, because that would be inadmissible hearsay, but did you tell the police officer what you saw?
Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Gavin, thank you very much. I have no further questions.
Cross-examination.
No cross search, thank you.
May this witness be released from her subpoena?
She may.
Any objection?
No objection.
Thank you, Ms. Gavin. You're released from your subpoena. That means you're free to stay or leave as you wish. You may step down from the witness stand.